Scott the Fix-It Guy. We're looking at a Frigidaire washer, and the report that it made a real loud sound. We're just checking to make sure that the spin basket is still intact. So I'm grabbing the plastic tub, I'm grabbing the spin basket, and I'm seeing if there's a lot of play between the two. And it seems good. So when I move the spin basket up and down, there's the plastic tub underneath. There's really no give. I mean, maybe like a 32nd of an inch. Spins really good. Setting it for final spin just to see if it's spinning okay. But I think the bearing in the back and the spider bracket that holds the spin cage looks good. I don't think anything's broken. If it is broken or if the bearing is worn out, then the silver spin basket will wobble all over the place and make terrible noises. But it's just doing the back and forth right now, but I think it's okay. So now we got full spin, speed, and sounds great. So bearing's fine, and the spider bracket's fine. It's nice and smooth.
So there's our Bosch washer, and as you go in, you can see, shine the light inside. Yeah, there you go. But the tub moves around. It's not connected anymore. It just moves around. Here, I'll try to turn it. Oh yeah, and it's loose. You see that?
I hope this video will help you to determine if your washer is a goner or not. If it's the bearing or the spider bracket, it's a goner, and better to replace it than to fix it because it's just too expensive. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.